In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a list in a Brevo conversation. We'll begin by signing into your Brevo account. Go to the Brevo login page, choose Sign In with Google, and select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, a quick clarification. Conversations in Brevo is built for one-to-one messaging. To email a list, you'll use campaigns, which are designed for sending to multiple contacts or segments at once. From the dashboard, click Create Campaign and select Email. Give your campaign a clear internal name so it's easy to find later, especially if you run similar promotions or newsletters. Then create the campaign to move into Setup. Let's add your audience. Click Add Recipients and select the list or segment you want to reach. Double check that you've chosen the correct list, as this ensures your message is relevant and reduces the chance of sending to the wrong group. Next, set what appears in the inbox. Click Add Subject, type a concise, value-focused subject line, and add preview text that supports it. Think of the preview as an extension of your subject. Together, they should set expectations for the content inside. Save your changes so nothing gets lost. Now it's time to design. Click Start Designing, choose a template, and head to the ready-to-use options if you want a polished starting point. Pick the design that best fits your message and click Use Template. In the editor, customize text, images, colors, and buttons to match your brand and purpose. Keep paragraphs short, use clear headings, and make sure links are easy to spot. As you edit, consider how everything looks on mobile as well as desktop. When you're happy, click Save and Quit to return to the campaign overview. Back on the campaign page, open Edit Settings to fine-tune details offered by your account, such as adding any expiration or related preferences. Confirm the sender information and reply settings are aligned with your brand and that everything is consistent. Finally, click Schedule. Choose whether to send now, send later at a specific date and time, or send in batches to control your sending pace. Think about your audience's time zone and typical open times to help your email land when it's most likely to be seen. Once your schedule is set, you're ready to launch. And that's the full process. Sign in, create an email campaign, select your list, craft the subject and preview, design the content, fine-tune settings, and schedule the send, all within Brevo. Follow these steps whenever you need to email a list, and you'll keep your outreach clear, consistent, and effective.